quick access toolbar. This area is called quick access toolbar. So if you click on here, you can add a few more, such as quick print, open, or if you want, you can add your own. To do that, click on more commands. The category below is the ones that are the most popular. So add a few as you go along. There is no harm in adding. For example, I use save as a lot to create PDFs. Subscript and superscripts are used a lot in mathematics. If you're doing accounting, pivot tables are good. Paste special is always useful. And my favorite, format painter. You can move the location of these commands on the quick access toolbar. All you need to do is to click here and you can move it up. I will show you what's the benefit of moving it up. So if I click OK, and now if I want to apply a superscript, one way is to just click on it and you convert that to superscript. Another way, once you got this quick access toolbar, is by pressing Alt, and then if you press the number next to it, in this example is 5, it automatically creates the superscript.